Tired of subscription stress? Let's transform that Disney gift card collecting dust into endless streaming bliss. First, peel back the security label on the back of your Disney gift card to reveal your redemption code. This is a critical step. Next, unfortunately, you can't directly apply a Disney gift card to a Disney Plus subscription instead. We'll use it to add funds to your Disney account. Head over to Disney.com. Once there, navigate to the gift card section, look for it in the footer or by using the search bar. Now, you'll want to redeem your gift card by entering the redemption code and following the on-screen prompts. Make sure you enter the code carefully. Awesome! Your Disney account now has the funds from your gift card now. And this is key. You need to use this balance towards a Disney service where you can be charged for your Disney Plus subscription. Typically, this means using it at ShopDisney.com, buying an item, and paying with your Disney account funds. Then, switch over your card information on Disney Plus to the redeemed card you had used on ShopDisney, and just like that, your Disney Plus is paid for. Now you are all set. Go grab your favorite snacks, settle in, and enjoy it free streaming knowing you've outsmarted those pesky subscription bills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more life hacks. Happy streaming!